doom. Money organization.
Grab your tits.
Thank you.
I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. Damn, Steve's dying though. We should call 911. We should fucking call 911. Call 911. We gon' call 911. Steve's gonna run.
That's a
Come
rough
back
one. You're here for some fun. Let's go have some rum. I mean rum.
Or some Bacardi.
Oh, okay. Or some Bacardi.
Or some Bacardi, it's a motherfucking party. Ashley wrapped up in the blanket, cause I'm taking J-Bone, about to spank it, ranking as #1 in Wisconsin like I'm a god. That's how it goes, cause Steve's always playing that card. He's a boss, but he's feeling sick, so his pizza's about to get tossed like Little Caesars, like his Frankie's working there, cause he's a believer in the faith of the hip hop. Coming back, I'm like the lady singing at the top, cause that pop with the P words at my recordings. Going back, cause I'm affording every bottle, everything fires full throttle. I won the lottery like J-Bone, cause I'm 18, is how it goes, it's my dream. Steve's got his head down like I'm in school. It's okay cause we so cool, cause we don't give a fuck with the rude attitude. So I'm about to shoot like I'm J-Bone with the gun. So what we was talking about calling 911. So we stun like it's Assassin's Creed. You better believe I'm smoking that best weed. Looking tired, come on, get with the party. You need to get higher. Look at you, man. You look so tired. I can't get over this. I'm about to roll you like a fucking tire down the street, about to wake you up, about to set you up at your fucking cross. I don't believe in Jesus cause I think I'm the fucking boss. So I'm about to floss the gap of my teeth, the fucking shit. She walks away with the gums cause she doesn't know how to drink rum. She's feeling tipsy after 2 glasses. That's what I call whooping asses. This is different classes. Me and J-Bone whooping some masses. I mean, we can't even take it. Sierra's fat ass coming back cause she can't rap with this class. Yo, she's so fucking goddamn whack with that fat psycho. She might go paranoia cause I destroy ya, foil ya, fucking send you back to the fucking south with my dick in your mouth and my fucking asshole. With my guy Jesus Castro, I'm about to blast yo ass to a different planet. You think you're Spanish, you think you're Indian, you think all kind of things, but you can't get it in because you think it's so fat. That's how it goes. I'll take it back because they knows how to rap. Oh, so abstract, but that's okay. I'll take it back. Drum loop, you know, got the drum loop, you know, got the drum loop. Then we gotta get back with the funk. I don't give a fuck, you know. Diggy's always getting drunk, and then I gotta go put my skunk on my bed. There's at least 25 cum stains on that bed per day. That's some crazy shit, man. Don't you gotta agree and say that's so cliche? So I gotta take it back at the bay like it's California. Then I gotta go back, cause Diggy's about to bone you and show you a flow you, cause I'm about to grow you in a different stance. Going back, Steve's not feeling good, so he's got to rap. He's doing crazy things. He's got the baby wings, the baby dick shit. I bring it up again. Oh, he's my friend, so we need to fucking liar. I'm about to supply ya, cause I'll never fucking retire, cause it's a big ass fucking yawn. Going gone, come on, you going tired. Going tired, you my squire. Yo, I'm Tony Soprano, you're my hire. So you know I'm the captain who's rapping like what the fuck happened. I'm just about to cash in this fucking mic cause like some, I don't even know. J-Bone's falling asleep, my rhymes are so intelligent. I guess their fucking sleeping stance is so irrelevant. I'm coming back to celibate, sleeping bitches cause they never got fucked when they're sleeping. So that's about to change cause I'm about to creep in under the blanket and spank it, maybe lick it, maybe give it a little different kind of feeling. Cause you know, Diggy's always peeling his clothes off. About to get this motherfucking flow off. About to fucking go off. No, I'm not gonna cough. That's only in the morning when I got the phlegm in me. So I'ma take your fucking body and I'll show you winning. Cause I'm giving you this beginning experience and orgasm. Diggy never ever gets it past him. He's smashing and crashing. Making fucking car accident. Yeah, J-Bone, that's exactly what I meant. Then I friend. Then we always spending red on the fucking cause I'm loving. Okay, then we fucking treatment. Okay, end it. Fucking I spent it. I rented it. You ended? Ended. No.